Hey guys, Yumi here. Today I'll be showing you how to change your oil on a 2007 to 2012 Nissan Versa. Now the first thing you want to do with your car is have it elevated on rhino ramps, or you can jack it up and leave it on jack stands. Now where the jack points are right here near the front. Do you see those grooves there? And that's where you put your jack stands. And then you'd also want to engage your parking brake so it doesn't roll down. Now the next thing you want to do is to put cardboard underneath your car to add comfort for your back as you lay down underneath and to prevent any splatter onto the concrete. Now we're going to remove the plastic piece over here that's under the body, and there's 10mm bolts right there, and also on the sides are fasteners, and to remove those use a screwdriver and or pliers, and if they break you can always get some at AutoZone or eBay for about $5 a pack, so you should have those handy all the time if you're working on your Versa. Once you've taken out the bottom plastic, pull your hood release from inside, and then to open your hood, there's a little, I don't know if you can see here, but there's a little lever here in the front. It should be around there, but you push it to the left with your right hand, and then with your left hand you push the hood up and you should be able to open your hood. Once you have opened your hood, you will want to open your oil filler cap here, and then leave it open when you drain the oil so it will have enough air to push all the oil out. Now place an oil drain pan underneath your car and then locate the drain plug. Now the engine should be on your left hand side when you're going underneath your car from the front, and then the drain plug will be in the back. It will be located, I don't know if you can see here, it's kind of dark, but it should be right there where my finger's pointing. Now take a 14mm socket and put it onto the drain plug, and then also have some extra rags handy to wipe your hands after you touch the oil. Now we just let it drain out and just wait until it's maybe the interval of dripping is a lot less. Once the dripping has slowed, make sure to replace your drain plug, but first wipe off the excess oil with a rag, and then also wipe off where the drain is on your pan. And there you have it. Once you have taken out the old filter and it's almost all drained, get out your new filter and new oil, open up the seal, dip your finger in the oil bottle, a good amount, and then lubricate the gasket with the new oil with your finger. Like so. Now once all the oil is drained from your filter location, make sure to wipe down any excess oil on the edges with a rag. Oh shit. And then install your new filter. Just hand turn it in, hand twist it. Now once you put in the oil filter and put back the drain plug, put in your funnel, and then just fill up your engine with the new oil. Make sure to pour it in slowly, otherwise it will bubble up, especially if you have a narrow funnel like mine. And then it takes 4 quarts, so just pour it until it gets down to the 1 quart line if you have a 5 quart jug like I do right now. Once you put in about 4 quarts of oil into your engine, check your oil level. Now use your dipstick to check your oil level. It's this yellow loop in front of your engine right here in this curve, and then just pull up, and then make sure to wipe off the oil that was there with a rag, and then re-dip it, and then pull it out, and then check your oil level and make sure it's between the L and the H levels. It's not a clear reading yet, but I'll show you a clear reading once it's done. So here's what a clear oil reading should look like. There you can see there's a clear line right almost in the middle between the L and the H holes right here. And then if you're in that range, then you should be good. And then you just finish your oil change, and just next thing is to do is clean up. Now to clean up, make sure that you throw away all the rags and cardboard that's stained, and then also put the oil filter in a airtight bag, and then pour the old oil into a large container like a milk jug or an empty oil jug. This is 5 quarts I mean. Sorry about that. Once you're done cleaning up, make sure to put that plastic piece back into the car underneath where you took it off. And then also recycle your old oil and filter at your local auto parts store. Thanks for watching and give my video a thumbs up.